in the hidden microscopic universe within the human body, where life begins in ways too small for the naked eye to perceive, an extraordinary process unfolds with remarkable precision and beauty. The miracle of fertilization, and even more fascinating, the rare and captivating phenomenon of twin fertilizations, where two lives emerge from a shared beginning, developing side by side in a synchronized biological journey. Imagine a vast and dynamic environment deep within the reproductive system, filled with fluid motion, chemical signals, and countless microscopic interactions, where millions of sperm cells begin a challenging and highly competitive journey, each one propelled forward with a singular purpose. 2. Reach the ovum, the egg cell, which waits within the fallopian tube in a state of readiness. This journey is far from simple. It is guided by subtle biochemical cues, temperature gradients, and intricate timing mechanisms that create a pathway only a few can successfully navigate. As these cells move forward, many are filtered out, slowed down, or redirected, making the process one of both endurance and precision. Eventually, only a small number approach the ovum, surrounding it in a delicate yet intense moment of interaction, where the outer membrane of the egg becomes the focus of this biological convergence. In a carefully regulated and highly controlled process, one sperm successfully fuses with the ovum, triggering a rapid transformation within the cell, as protective mechanisms immediately activate to prevent additional fusion, ensuring the stability and integrity of the developing life. At this exact moment, a profound change occurs. The genetic material from both parents combines, forming a zygote, the very first cell of a new human being, containing a complete set of instructions that will guide every aspect of development. However, in the case of twin fertilizations, this already remarkable story expands into something even more extraordinary. In some situations, two separate ova are released during ovulation and are each fertilized by different sperm cells, resulting in fraternal twins, two genetically distinct individuals who begin their lives at the same time, sharing the same environment but carrying unique genetic identities. In other cases, a single fertilized egg undergoes a rare and fascinating division, splitting into two separate embryos, leading to identical twins who share the same genetic blueprint, a perfect duplication of life's original code, developing in parallel with astonishing symmetry. When visualized in a cinematic 3D perspective, this process transforms into a breathtaking display of motion, light, and structure, where glowing cellular membranes, flowing fluid environments, and dynamic molecular interactions create a vivid representation of life's earliest moments. The newly formed zygotes begin a rapid process of division, moving from one cell to two, then four, then eight, continuing in a carefully timed sequence that forms a compact cluster of cells known as a morula, which later develops into a blastocyst, a more complex structure with specialized regions that will eventually give rise to different parts of the body. As this development continues, the embryos travel toward the uterus, guided by gentle muscular movements and fluid currents, until they reach a location suitable for implantation. Here, another critical phase begins, as the embryos attach to the uterine wall, establishing a connection that will allow them to receive nutrients, oxygen, and support for continued growth. In the case of twins, this stage becomes even more intricate, as the body must accommodate two developing embryos simultaneously, carefully balancing space, resources, and biological signals to ensure both can thrive. Sometimes the twins develop within separate sacs, each with its own support system, while in other cases they may share certain structures, creating a deeper level of biological connection. The synchronization of their development is nothing short of extraordinary, as countless cellular processes occur in harmony, guided by genetic instructions and environmental factors that influence growth and differentiation. As the embryos continue to develop, their cells begin to specialize, forming the earliest foundations of organs, tissues, and systems, transforming from simple clusters of cells into increasingly complex structures that will eventually become fully formed human beings. This transformation is not only a biological process, but also a visual story of evolution and growth, where patterns emerge, shapes take form, and the blueprint of life gradually unfolds in a way that is both precise and awe-inspiring. The concept of twin fertilization highlights the delicate balance between unity and individuality, showing how two lives can originate from closely connected beginnings, yet develop into distinct individuals with their own characteristics, personalities, and paths. From a scientific standpoint, this process involves a remarkable interplay of hormones, cellular communication, and genetic regulation, all working together to ensure that development proceeds smoothly and efficiently. From a visual and conceptual perspective, especially when imagined through advanced 3D visualization techniques, it becomes a powerful narrative of creation, transformation, and connection, where microscopic events carry immense significance. Modern technology has allowed us to explore these processes in unprecedented detail, using advanced imaging and simulation tools to recreate the earliest stages of human development with stunning realism, enabling us to observe, understand, and appreciate the complexity of life in ways that were once beyond imagination. These visualizations not only serve as educational tools, but also inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity, encouraging us to reflect on the intricate systems that make life possible. The miracle of twin fertilizations reminds us that life is not a simple or predictable process, but one filled with variation, possibility, and extraordinary coordination, where even the smallest interactions can lead to profound outcomes. It reveals how nature can create multiple lives from shared beginnings, how biological systems adapt to support this complexity, and how the journey from a single cell to a fully developed human being is one of the most intricate and fascinating processes in existence. As the twins continue to grow within the protective environment of the womb, their development progresses in parallel, influenced by both shared conditions and individual genetic factors, creating a unique blend of similarity and difference that will define their identities. Ultimately, the story of twin fertilization is a testament to the incredible potential of life, a reminder of the precision and beauty of biological systems, and a powerful illustration of how two separate journeys can begin at the exact same moment, connected by origin yet destined to unfold in their own unique and remarkable ways, forming a narrative that is as scientifically profound as it is deeply human, capturing the essence of life's beginnings in a way that continues to inspire curiosity, respect, and a sense of awe for the natural world.